Good evening. My name is Priya. I'm currently pursuing BS degree in IIT Madras. I am a homemaker at present. I have taken a break from my career to spend some time with my kids. So it's been 4 months since I started this course, and it's going on very well. And the quizzes are quite challenging, but it's a good learning experience. And at this age, to be able to learn from IIT faculties is a great opportunity. So I wish to do better in the future. Yeah, it's challenging and it's very. I feel quite. I should say it's been a great experience. Since I'm back after a break, I'm finding it a little challenging to cope up, but it's good. It's a very good learning experience. One thing is the recorded sessions are available for our access. So being a homemaker, I can make use of it at my pace, and whenever I'm free, I log in and attend the sessions. So that is very useful for us rather than fixed timings and fixed hours. It's very flexible for people like me. I wish more people make use of this course and learn more.
Good evening. I am Sundaresh Karthik. I have currently completed the term 2 of foundational course. So I have completed the certificate courses, and I am about to start with the diploma level. I am pursuing computer science engineering. I am pursuing bachelor's in computer science engineering, 4-year courses along with this. Indeed, it has helped me. Like for example, in my computer science course back in my offline college, they have a course named as Foundations of Data Science. So I scored 10 out of 10 GPA in that. And similarly, because it's computer science, it really supports me and I'm able to get better scores both there and because of that, because of here. Yeah. What I like about this program is the quality of the program, I would say, and the rigorousness of the program. Like, for example, generally when you consider an online course, it will not be that rigorous. They will just give the quality content, but the questions, for example, will be very simple. But in this course, it's not the case. Like the quality of the education and the content they provide is also reflected in the questions as well. So when you see the questions and the content that they test with us, they see that how they are serious. Like they want to produce students with the same quality as they produce the students with the offline IIT Madras students.
Hi, my name is Mazin Mohammed Iqbal. I'm currently studying in the diploma level, approaching the end of the diploma, so I only have 2 more subjects left. Yeah, I'm also doing a BE in computer science. If I'm being very honest, it's for this the network that we get in this program is like incomparable. Like even in my offline college, since it's offline, I don't get to interact with everyone in the college. But here, I think there's a wider net. So even in Paradox, it's easy to communicate with everyone and get to know people who are working in wildly different fields. It's also easier to get to know people who are working in wildly different fields than you.
Hi, my name is Shashwati Chakraborty. I'm actually currently doing just this degree right now. I have already graduated in another psychology arts, bachelor's of arts degree. My overall experience has been really good here. All the mentors, all the teaching assistants, all our teachers, everyone is very helpful and very cooperative, and I'm really happy to be in this program. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I'm Saumika Selvakumar. I'm pursuing BTech Computer Science in SRM, and I'm also taking BS degree in IIT Madras. I'm doing foundation right now. It's great. It's they do the doubt sessions, so it's not very hard to cope up with the subjects. And since I'm from biomath, computation is a little hard for me. Even that doubt sessions are there, so they're clearing it pretty much.
Adira Vinod. I'm basically from Kerala, but settled now in Chennai. I think it was really helpful. That is why I'm pursuing this, because I joined this program soon after having a baby. And literally I'm struggling with the baby, like the studies and baby, everything together to cope up together is very difficult. But I really think that it will be really helpful for my career, and I'm doing it. Thank you.